Here is an outside view of that Russian tent. It's sat on a deck over here at the school. I installed the stove today, and I'm uncomfortable with how close it is to the bunk. But I burned it for a little while, and it definitely keeps it very, very warm inside here. Right now I've just got my propane lighter burning. I just got back from dinner. Okay, I'm back here in the Russian tent tonight, and just thought I'd film a quick video. I had somebody ask on one of the other videos with the titanium stuff about what would be a good bag to move it into from the bag that they that came with the kit, and I moved mine into that same kit that we talked about before with the cook set. This is one that came with the stainless steel, but with the titanium in here, I've got room for that little titanium stove in the front and the spork. And inside the main bag, I've actually got room in here where I can keep one of the medium-sized mixed gas fuel cells. This is propane and butane mixed. And inside the bag, also the titanium canteen goes in there, and the two bowls that it comes with, the cup and the little cook bowl. And the lid goes in a little back pouch. So basically I've got room for everything I need in here. So this is actually a pretty good option if you want to move into another bag. I have installed the wood stove in the tent today, and I have to tell you, it may be a mistake. I told you before I was concerned about the wood stove because of how close it would be to the bunk, and I'm still concerned about that. But however, the stove that comes in here has got heat shields on the outside and all that kind of thing. But just two little handfuls of sticks in here earlier ran me out of the tent, and it's 36 degrees over here today, so it's not super cold. But the insulation does really well in this tent, and I think it's going to work out a little too warm for me. I don't like warm anyway, so that's where we're at. Nope. Talk to y'all later. See you in the woods.